track GPS. Okay guys, this is new, so I have to unbox it. Okay guys, and first of all we have to read the contents. It contains GPS device, user manual, immobilizer relay, relay holder, fuse, surge arrestor and cable ties. Okay guys, let's unbox it. Okay guys, first of all it contains the user manual, so I'm opening it. Okay guys, the box contains some devices like this, and we have to open one by one. Okay, so first of all I have to pick up this device. This thing I don't know. It contains set of wire. I don't know what is the use of it. And another thing, you see the relay, that is called relay. Okay, another device. It contains like, it shows like a connector. I don't know what is the use of it. And guys, that is called relay connector. Okay, for connecting into this. Okay, guys, last, you see, yeah, this is called GPS device. Okay guys, that should be fitted inside a vehicle. Okay, it's not so heavy. And last thing, you see guys, that is called zip tag for winding the whole parts. Okay, now we have to read some instruction. Yes, these are the steps by which we can installing the GPS in a vehicle. Okay, these are steps given: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Okay, bye.